Learning AI is a thing that everyone needs to do. Remember that AI won't replace human, but humans with AI will replace human without AI. So don't waste your time anymore and get started today. I am Ghulam Farooque and you are watching AI to Sport YouTube channel. I am so excited to introduce AI to Sport YouTube channel, a platform especially designed for researchers, teachers, trainers, students across all the field. Whether you are in science, arts, business or technology, this channel will discover amazing AI tools that can solve your problems easily and quickly. Here is a great example before you that I, being a non-professional medical, I created more than 5 medical YouTube channels with the help of AI technology, and Alhamdulillah, out of 3 are monetized and generating good enough revenue from YouTube source. So if you are in the field relevant to your study, so you can do it much better than me and explore the new AI tools with your fingertips. AI tool sport is also another milestone of my life. All of my previous channels are faceless and generated medical stuff material videos for the medical graduates, for the undergraduate and postgraduate students. Alhamdulillah, I got recognition from international viewership, most probably European countries.